This is the finished results of our pecan candy. It's delicious. We made it out of pecan pie. Rolled them up, put them in a little old mini muffin pan. Baked them till they got bubbly. And we let them sit in the pecan pan. We let them sit in the muffin pan till they got real firm. And then we took them out. I'm eating one. And look what it looked like, y'all. It's delicious. It tastes good. I put a little topping on it. And it tastes real good. You can put a topping on yours. You don't have to. You can pack these up and put them in a little box and give them away. They are delicious. I love them. They got that little gooey in there. Look at that. That's a very good cookie, y'all. All you do is get you some pecan pie that's left over. Go to the grocery store and buy pecan pie in the freezing department. Let it thaw out, roll it up in balls, and stuff them in that little muffin pan, that mini muffin pan, and let them cook for about 15 minutes, and let them ooze out, and then let them sit in the pan for about 15 minutes till it's cool, and then you scoop them out, and here you go, right here. Ain't they cute? They are very good. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating, and thank you for coming to my channel. Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another little tip. Another little cookie tip or candy tip. It depends on how you want to serve it. But I usually serve it like pecan candy or pecan cookies. It's either or, wherever they want to make it. That's what you tell them, you know. And they say, oh, these cookies are so good. Oh, these pecan candies are so good. You just go along with the flow with them. That's what I do. What I did, the leftovers pecan pie, like that. What I do is roll it up and put them in these little small teacup, these little mini muffin cups, muffin pans. And then I roll them and I put them in the oven and let them get bubbly and let them stay. And then I take them out. I'm going to show you what they look like when I get through. But you use your leftover pecan pie. Don't throw it away. Don't eat it. Don't try to force yourself to eat it. Just put it in the freezer and take it out. And roll it. Roll it like this. See what that gooey is right there? You roll that right there, that gooey. And then you place them in these little old muffin pans. These mini muffin pans. And you have a treat. Show you what it looks like when you come back. Okay. I'm going to remind you. If you do not have a Teflon non-stick pan, you need to spray it or put oil in it so the candies or the cookies won't stick to this right here. So I already went and made 9 of them, y'all. Now they made 12. So what you do, you make sure with your leftover pecan pie, you do this recipe and you're going to love it. So I'm going to put this in the oven at 350 and let it get bubbly and then take it out and then we're going to see what we have. This is Sandra. I'll be right back. Just had to come back and remind you to make sure that you put some oil or some cooking spray if you don't have a Teflon pan like this. All right, they all gooey and wooey and whatever you want to call them. We're going to let them sit for about 10 minutes and we're going to take them out. But you want to make sure they are set before you take them out because you know the pecan pie has a lot of sugar in it and a lot of gooey in the pie and the crust. Well, in the filling is real gooey, so we want them to sit and form a little bit, and then we're gonna take them out. They look good, don't they? My goodness, you can call these little candies, pecan candies, or you can call these little pecan cookies. So we'll be out. Look at that. Ooh, that's mine right there. With that little stuff coming out of it. That's mine. And that one is mine too. So we're going to let them sit for about 10 to 15 minutes so they get kind of firm. And then we'll make sure that they are ready to take out and put them on the plate. Be right back.